So, hi guys. Ito nga pala laro natin. So, bale ako ay isang security guard dito. Yan.
I'm ready to enjoy a memorable evening if you'd kindly let me pass.
Security guard ako rito. At ito ay VIP. Wait lang.
It's cool. I hope everyone inside has a great time.
Yan, ito yung nightclub. Diyan tayo
I've
pumapasok.
never been disappointed here, and I'm hopeful tonight won't be different.
Ito yung mga gamit natin. So, i-check muna natin siya kung meron ba siyang
That's some high-tech gear. Curious what you'll
Ayun,
find.
meron. Sa pantalon. So, kunin muna natin yung pantalon na yan.
You must have a good reason for this,
Ayun,
I trust you.
nakaganda.
Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. That's a nice touch. I appreciate the style.
Wait lang.
No problem. I wasn't using it anyway.
Picture. Yan. So, pwede tayo magbenta rito ng
Penny
gamit.
saved, penny earned.
Kunin natin yung kanyang relo.
Anything for you? I'm glad I could assist.
Okay. Pwede lang pala itong relo.
Cool. I'm always up for trying something new.
Okay.
No problem. I wasn't using it anyway.
Benta natin. Sige, pwede na yan.
Nice! I really appreciate this. You've made my evening special.
Next!
The crowd here looks so cheerful. I'd love to join in on the fun. That's some high-tech gear. Curious what you'll find.
Ayun, meron siya something dun sa sa kanyang ito.
I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow.
Nahulog. So, meron siyang
What is that?
ayaw maalis yung ayaw maalis yung ayun sa mukha. Hala!
Cool. That might come in handy.
Yan yung kanyang face paint. Para meron siyang tattoo sa mukha. Alisin yan. Tapos, okay na yan. Papasukin na natin.
Am I getting in?
Yes.
Thank you for the trust. I promise to keep the good vibes going.
X.
I've never been disappointed here, and I'm hopeful tonight won't be different.
Yan, so meron siyang tattoo. Yan o. Ang dami namang tattoo dito sa mukha.
You picked that up with confidence. I like that.
Alisin lang natin yung tattoo na yan. Kasi bawal pumasok. Ang tattoo, ayaw maalis. Ay, naalis pala.
Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead.
Hala, sponge ko.
was that?
May baril ka pa, ah. Ayaw maalis. So,
It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it.
pagkain ka pandala.
I'll wear it proudly. You've got good taste.
It lang akin yung baril mo.
Here you go. I hope it
Sa'yo
helps
ito
you.
gamitin eh. Ano? Bakit wala kang baril dito, ha? Violent.
I guess I needed some rest. Thanks for that. You are a natural businessman.
Ipakita mo yung baril mo.
Here you go. I hope it helps you.
Bibenta ko na lang ito.
Penny saved, penny earned.
Ano ba yung, ano ba?
All right, just go easy on the close shave. Cool. I was thinking I needed a trim anyway.
Hindi. Kailangan mag-trim.
Fresh new look. Cool. I was thinking I needed a trim anyway. Hey, a new look. Thanks for the fresh style. This could be the start of a bold new image for me.
Kalbuhin kita eh. Huwag ka maingay.
Fresh new look.
Ano ba yung nasa ilong mo? Hindi maalis.
You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. Am I getting in?
Oo.
Thank you kindly. I'm honored to be welcomed in.
Oo. Susunod, huwag ka na magdala ng baril, ah. Naka-heels pa. Naka-heels.
I heard this is the place to be. Could I earn that green stamp from you?
Ano naman to?
Here you go. I hope it helps you.
May papasbas ka pang naragaman. Ba't ganyan ang damit?
Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. Cash money.
Tayo ay bumili.
Looking for something special? I'm sure you'll find it. I'll wear it proudly. You've got good taste.
Tumahimik ka dyan.
Pants shopping. Always a challenge. Take your time. Feels good you have a knack for this.
Ano ba itong
Anything for you.
dala-dala
I'm
mo?
glad I could assist.
Ano ba itong dala-dala mo? Kung ano dala
I guess I needed some rest. Thanks for that force. That was so uncalled for.
Pwede na. Sige, papasok ko na kita.
Oh yeah, I guess I'm getting in. It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it.
Eh,
Nice. Oh, great call. I'm going to make the most of this.
susunod ko
Why?
kung ano-ano, ah. Ang kulit. Anong lol? Ano yung paglalagay niyo dyan sa...
Oh, you need that. Sure, go
Hindi
ahead.
ko kailangan to.
I'm happy to share. It's
So,
all yours.
baralin kita. May hikaw ka pa. Huwag ka na hikaw.
Feel free. It's not a big deal. You must have a good reason for this.
Napakapalda ka.
I trust you. Thanks.
Teka,
I'm curious why you chose this for me.
baka naman lasing ka. Bawal pumasok ng lasing dito. Wait lang, wala. Ingay. Huwag ka salta na salta.
Here you go.
Huwag ka salta na salta. Hindi ko maintindihan pag sasabi mo.
Anything for you. I'm glad I could assist. Yeehaw. I look ready for a rodeo now. Thanks.
Iwasan natin malabas mo dito. Yan, sige.
Hey, a new
O,
look.
diba? Sige,
Thanks
pogi
for the
ka.
fresh style. Cool, I was thinking I needed a trim anyway. Stop that!
Galit ka, ha? Galit ka.
That was
Ikaw nga,
surprisingly
tinutuwa. Ikaw
painful.
pag galit ka.
Stop that!
Stop what? Ipalda ka pa, ah.
A bold move, but I won't complain if it's for a purpose. That stings. Huh,
Yan.
this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory.
Hindi kita papasukin yan, eh.
Am I getting
Sabi
in?
mo, dali-dali.
Obviously, you'd let me
Umalis
in.
ka na.
Good call.
Daming sinabi. Sa pato may busal. Bakit ba may busal-busal pa kayo, ha? Kung tuloy
You
ako.
better appreciate that, idiot!
Anong sabi mo? Ha? Ano sabi mo? Ha? Ha? Ha?
You think this is funny? You'll pay. I'm gonna mess you up, bro. You think this is funny? You'll pay for that.
Sige.
Taking my stuff without asking. Genius
Oo.
move.
Wala ka pang damit. Muntik ka. Punta-punta ka rito.
You better appreciate that, idiot.
Proceed.
That is not
Ano
useful,
mo?
idiot. Idiot, I am all wet now.
Malamang ang dumi mo.
Oh, idiot, this fit was pricey. Now I am all wet, dummy. Oh, idiot, this fit was pricey. Now I am all soaked, moron.
Ang sama pa. Iye mo.
Next time, learn some manners before you swing. I can't believe I am wasting time here with you.
Yes, I believe. I can't waste my time to you. Too.
What a waste of my time, you
out,
nobot.
Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Alis.
I'm ready to enjoy a memorable evening if you'd kindly let me pass.
No.
Anything for you, I'm glad I could assist.
Ang baduy mo.
No problem, I wasn't using it anyway.
Mas baka nagdadala lang ng baril dito, ha?
No worries, I didn't really need that right now.
May daga kapag... Ano ba yan?
Feels good. You have a knack for this.
Tingnan natin ang temperature mo.
Oh, what does it say? Let me see the result.
Tumahimik.
Oh, what does it say?
Tumahimik ka.
Neat tool.
Ay.
Just don't scan anything you'll regret seeing. You must have a good reason for this, I trust you. Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory.
Ha?
Ouchie!
You're interested. Ba't may dala kang daga, ha?
I can't believe I'm... This is outrageous. I'm reporting this to management.
Sige, alis ka na. Alis! Opo! Mag-report ka.
Hope you know what you're doing, dummy. You'll regret this slide, trust me.
Talaga.
This is outrageous. I'm reporting this to management.
Report mo. Report mo, samahan pa kita.
This is where the buzz is, and I'd be grateful for a chance to experience.
Man.
Feel free, it's not a big deal. That hurts. No worries, I didn't really need that right now. That's a nice touch, I appreciate the style. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. Thanks, I'm curious why you chose this for me. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Here you go, I hope it helps you.
Ganyan naman ang makeup mo, iha.
Oh, nice!
Para kang, para kang nilublob sa, Harina.
I am soaked, but it is also kinda refreshing.
Yan, pwede na yan.
Oh, it is cold.
Malamang tubig yun.
Oh, yeah, I guess I am getting in. A bold move, but I won't complain if it's for a purpose.
Asa na, asa na.
Am I getting in?
Opo.
Yes, you've just made my entire week better. I am gonna mess you up.
Yes.
That green stamp is what I need to make this evening perfect.
Yan guys, ito ang ating laro ngayon. So, dito ko natapusin ang aking laro. Yan. Yung iba nandito sa gilid, yan nakikita nyo sa taas. So, pwede rin gamitin yan. Iba yung jata yan. So, yan ang aking game for today's video. Thank you for watching.